Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to perform system updates on Zorin OS. First go down to the Zorin menu, then click on System Tools. Click on Software Updater. You could also find this by searching for it by typing it in the search box. When it opens, it'll look for updates for the operating system, but also most software on your computer. If it finds updates, just click Install Now and enter your password if it asks for it. Make sure to also restart your computer if it asks for that as well. But that's how to perform system updates on Zorin OS. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.